I find this kind of funny. My bird absolutely hates this bell. Hi, Tessie. Say hi to the camera. Don't flip out. It's just a phone. You've seen this before. So, see how long it takes before he hates that bell. He's scoping it out. Or maybe he's just scoping me out because of the phone. Oh, so now you're just going to behave all nonchalant, huh? Figures you change your behavior as soon as I got a camera out. You're making me a liar. Jeez, Tessie, calm down. It's just a little bell. Oh, it can't be that bad. It can't be that bad. It's just a little bell. I mean, you got a red bell right up there. You don't mind. You like that red bell. What's wrong with the silver one? Why don't you like the silver bell? Come on. Come on, Tessie, calm down. I'll take that off. You're going to hurt yourself. It's just a little bell. Why do you hate the bell so much, Tessie? Now you're cussing at it. I hear your mumbling going. All right. I'll take the bell down if you don't like it. All right. I'll take it down. It's just a little bell. It's just a little bell, Tessie. No big thing. Silly bird. All right, calm down yet? I'll take the bell away if you hate it that much. I'll put it somewhere else. All right, I'll move the bell for you.